What's up, YouTube? Back with another video. These are the blood parrots, doing very well. Check them all out. There's Sunny. Sunny's starting to turn red a little bit. I'd say in a couple months I won't be able to tell them apart from anybody else. But look at these guys. Real happy with them. You know, I'm still learning, but very beautiful fish. There's King Titan. Check him out. He's starting to fatten up a little bit. I'm gonna give these guys some shrimp. Let's see, they want some. There they go. They normally wait for like one of them to start to eat, and then they all just follow. That's what I like about them. Wherever one goes, the rest follow. See, they just follow each other around. There's more in there. Still feeding these guys 3 times a day. Check out Titan. Absolute beautiful fish. They will grow to about 10 inches. And we know King Titan will grow to about almost 3 feet. He'll be growing about 3 inches a month at this pace. So he'll be growing fast. These guys will be growing slow. But I don't mind these guys growing slow. I think they look beautiful right now. And these guys get fed 3 times a day. You see how aggressive they feed? Beautiful. Very exciting. I'm starting to mix the shrimp in with their normal pellet diet, the red pellet. That keeps them nice and bright red. I'm just mixing this in a little bit, because I know Titan really likes it. These guys love it too, but it's really going to benefit Titan the most. It's going to help him grow faster. Okay, guys, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. You guys have a great day. Later.